Alright everybody, what's going on? It's your old pal Josh here back at it again with another video. Taking you for a ride on the lawnmower here in the backyard. Right now I am going to go take a ride around in the backyard with it. Get familiar with my old route with it. I remember when my uncle riding mower used to be back here. Um, this is what we used to do. We used to go around like in a circle. Gotta dodge that. And look here, I gotta try dodging this. Oops, my bad. Okay. So yeah, I'm basically going back over my old route on a riding mower, which surprisingly I haven't rode or driven one of these things out there at the house since 2015, I think. So yeah, I'm just going back over my old route, just trying to familiarize myself with it. Okay, and I'll probably do that in the front yard. Um, so yeah, let's go to the front yard and do that. Which the clearing on this thing is actually amazing too. Anyway, I'm going to go around this way on it. I gotta familiarize myself with the route right here too. In the front yard, which is what we used to do. Um, I gotta try make a turn right here with it. Oh yeah, it's actually going to be a pain to cut right here up by the ditch. There's a road right here, like early this year. But then I'm going to do this. So yeah, basically this is what we used to do. Okay, you get right here on top of the hill and do that. So yeah, let's go ahead and take it back to the backyard where I will stop it and tell you guys what I love about this thing and what is going to be done with it in the next coming days. Or, let me just find somewhere to park at to go park my county house. I just thought I would tell you guys what I love about it. Steering's great. The seat is comfortable. Goes over the bump real nice. Stops real quick. Got the parking brake on it. Goes into neutral real good. And there you go. Um, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. It's got a brick and Stratton engine on it. The 17.5 liter or 17.5 horsepower engine. The 500 cc. It's got a 1.36 gallon gas tank right here. It takes unleaded. Um, yeah. So yeah. And they made it a lot more easier to change the oil in these things than they do on the Bronco. Again, you got your forward, neutral, and reverse. Oh yeah, and you got your deck raiser and lower handle right here, and you got your blade engage switch right there, which is a plus. But anyway, I know this is like a short review of this thing. Even the headlights come on when you turn it on, and they turn off when you turn the lawnmower off. And he even got little slits right there in the hood right there That way, if you wanted to put like a guard right here to help with a lot more airflow or to protect the engine from like rain or dirt or something like that. But anyway, yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. I am going to go put this thing up or get myself familiar with my route again on here, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Later.